Hi, this is Alex from Pandectus. In this video, I will show you how you need to handle data requests from your users. Assuming you have set up a customer data request page on your store with Pandectus, it is very likely that you are going to start getting customer data requests. So let's see what you need to do in each case of data portability, rectification, or deletion. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm in my dashboard and I have some customer data requests. I can view the report and see all of my requests here. As you can see in my customer data requests page, I have some new requests. One is already fulfilled, so let's look at the other ones. There's one by Kostas and two by me for demonstration purposes. Kostas wants portability, so he wants to download his data. What we need to do is navigate to customers, search the customer by their email. Here they are. Open the customers page, go to more actions and request customer data. Click on that. A folder containing all the customers' data is going to come to your email address. From there, you will have to forward this email to your customer. What if someone wants a rectification of their data, which means modification of their data? Alex asked me to change their street address to their new street address. This request could be anything. The customer could want to change their name, their email address, or their address. We can copy the new address since that's what they're asking for. Find Alex by searching for them. Here in the customer tab, we can click on the three dots, manage addresses, and change Alex's address to the one that they want. And the rectification request is done. What if a customer asks you to delete their data? We navigate to more actions and request an erasure of personal data. We click on erase personal data and the customer's personal information will be deleted from your store as well as Shopify. So that's it. If you need any help with setting up the customer data request page, as well as if you have any questions regarding the handling of those requests, don't hesitate to contact our support team.